Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to get an API key for OpenAI/ChatGPT for programmatic access to the OpenAI API, for example, for your personal Python scripts or your business. So the first thing you're going to do is go to platform.openai.com, just like this. I assume you already have an account with OpenAI or ChatGPT. If you don't, you can click on sign up here and create a new account. So I'm just going to pretend to get a new account. Some password, and then you have to verify your email. So click on verify email address, and there you go. So if you already have an account, you can simply log in with your email address or your Microsoft or Google account, type in your password, just like on ChatGPT, and now you see the OpenAI Platform interface. So all you need to do is go to the left here. It says API keys. You click on API keys and it shows a list of all your API keys if you already have some. But if you're watching this tutorial, you don't. So you can now just click on create new secret key. You can call it whatever you want. So key 2, this is absolutely free. You click on create secret key. And there's your key. So now's the time to copy it. So you copy it now, you put it in your script or wherever, keep it safe because you cannot see it again. After you click done, you cannot see it again. You can always create a new key, but this key, you can see it only now. And after you click done, it's gone. You will never see it again, but you can always create a new key and it's absolutely free. What's not free is using the key. You get credits, but creating a key is absolutely free. You can create as many keys as you want. So put it into your Python script or whatever script and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. You now have your key for the OpenAI API and can finally get started on programming your script. Hopefully this was helpful. See you next time.